Hi, and welcome back to Fertility Kitchen, where food meets function and flavor. If you're trying to support your reproductive health naturally, you don't want to miss today's recipe. This carrot hummus is not only creamy and flavorful, but it's also packed with ingredients scientifically known to boost fertility in both men and women. So stay with me till the end.
Let's start with the star ingredients and why they matter. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants. Carrots help support hormone production and improve sperm quality. Harvard School of Public Health. Chickpeas, a great source of plant-based protein and folate, crucial for healthy ovulation and fetal development. National Institutes of Health. Onions, contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that supports reproductive function by reducing oxidative stress. Journal of Medicinal Food. Tahini, sesame paste, loaded with zinc and healthy fats, both vital for egg and sperm health. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C, which helps with iron absorption and hormone balance. Cumin, aids in digestion and has anti-inflammatory benefits that support hormone regulation. Garlic powder, contains allicin, which enhances circulation to reproductive organs. Paprika, a source of vitamin E, which plays a role in reproductive health. Black pepper, enhances nutrient absorption and is also a mild testosterone booster. Turmeric, contains curcumin, known for balancing estrogen levels and reducing inflammation. Journal of Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology. Let's get cooking. Prep the veggies. Peel and chop 2 large carrots. Roughly chop 1 medium onion. Sauté. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the carrots and onion. Then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon paprika, a pinch of black pepper. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a bit of water, just enough to cover the veggies. Cover and simmer until the carrots are completely soft. Meanwhile, prepare 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. Tip: soak them overnight and boil them until tender. Then, peel off the skins for a smoother hummus. Once the carrots and onions are soft, transfer them to a blender or food processor. Blend until semi-smooth. Now add the chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, juice of a lemon, salt to taste. Blend again until everything is silky smooth. Add a spoon of water or olive oil if needed to adjust consistency. Scoop into a bowl and drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle on a touch of cinnamon, a bit more black pepper, and top with walnuts for fertility-boosting omega-3s. I hope you love this nourishing twist on classic hummus. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone on their fertility journey. See you next time in the Fertility Kitchen.